This is homework 3. This is the first question. We need to find B so that the probability that x equals k represents a probability mass function. I think it means we should meet that the accumulation of the probability that x from 1 to infinite need to be equals to 1. So this is what we want to get, and I think this formula is different of this formula, so we could get the value of this formula first. Since k is to infinite, this formula is to 1, so we could get the b equals to 1, the second power of 1 minus p. For the question B, I think it's similar to the question A. We could also use the method of differential, or say integration. We could find that this formula is different of this formula. So and the value of this formula, we could to get the value of this formula, we could use the result of the question A. You see, the question A's formula is just a little different from that one. To get this formula's value, we need to multiply the p. After we get the value of this formula, we get the mathematical expectation of x is 1 minus p. 1 plus p divide 1 minus p. For the question C, it's also the same method. We could also use the differential method. You see, the formula this formula could be seen as the differential of this formula, and we could also use the result of question B, and finally we get the result is this. For the question D, we need to use the result of question B and question C, and it's just a simple calculation. And I also know that result is the variance of x. This is question E. I think the value of the formula could be divided into four parts. That x equals 2, 3, 5, 4, and 5, and it's just simple calculation, and the result is 0.538.